Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about poster making. In class 11th also you have done poster making, and poster making comes in class 12th also as a short composition in examination. Now see, what is a poster? Basically, posters are placards displayed at a public place announcing or advertising something. It's a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. Now see, we have two posters there on the screen. The first poster is advertising a movie, Archer, and the other one, it is about creating awareness. It's about World AIDS Day. It's to create awareness about this deadly disease. A poster should be visually attractive and readable from a distance. Now see, this poster is about pool party. Even if you are standing at a distance, you can clearly see that why this poster is designed. It's very clearly mentioned, and even when you are standing at a distance, you can clearly see how attractive it is. See the color, the combination, the illustrations which are used. So everything is so attractive. And see the second poster, it is about blood donation. It's an appeal to donate blood. Very simple yet very creative and visually very attractive. So these two qualities must be there in a poster. Now these posters are extensively used by NGOs or political parties or government departments. Or we can say it's a short formal piece of composition, right? And students, you can use different types of letters, colors or drawings to make the poster eye-catching or attractive. Now comes the purpose of designing a poster. What is the purpose of designing a poster? Basically, it is either to create social awareness about issue related to current problems and needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Now see the poster which is there given on the screen. It is talking about don't mix, drink and drive. Now you see what is written there. Do you have time to pick up the kids from daycare? Something very sensitive? No problem. See what it is. It means that the one who is replying is drunk, and it is obviously very dangerous for kids to travel with a person who is drunk. So it is basically to convey a message that one should not mix, drink and drive for the sake of their near and dear ones. These posters are designed to extend or seek help or support for some noble cause, such as help for earthquake victims, or these days to collect fund for PM Cares Fund, or to invite the public for some special occasion, or to create awareness among public regarding common issues such as pollution or illiteracy, or to give warning or caution against something, and to motivate public for some action, like posters related to drug abuse, or posters, this particular poster, don't mix, drink and drive. Basically these are for warning or caution. So this is basically the purpose of designing a poster. Now discuss about breakup of marks. Poster making carries 4 marks. 1 mark is for format, 2 marks for content and 1 for expression. Now let us discuss about the layout. Now I have given few important things which we need to take care about while designing a poster. Visually attractive. As we have already discussed that a poster should be eye-catching, should be visually attractive. The title must be suggestive and catchy. As soon as a person sees the article, should understand that what is the purpose of making this poster. You can even use slogan or jingle or short words to elaborate or to give more information about that particular theme. You can use simple drawings, sketch illustrations to make it visually attractive. different font size, letters of different font size and shapes, calligraphy that can also be used to make poster beautiful. And spacing should be proportionate. See, let us discuss this poster which is there on the screen. It is all about World Health Day, and see what is written there just below that: take the road to healthy heart. And see, the visuals are also supporting this short sentence. There is a road, and see how beautifully traffic signals are used. You know, green is for go, healthy diet and daily exercise. See, yellow for be careful, for salt intake, junk food, and then red to stop smoking, sedentary lifestyle. Very simple to draw, yet very effectively conveying the message of this poster. So whenever you are designing poster, you should also take care of all these things. Now discuss about content part. The theme or the subject of the poster, it is something that is very essential, should be there in the poster. Description or details associated with the theme. Important details like time or date and place, in case if you are designing a poster for an event. And obviously the most important thing, name of the issuing authority or organization. Now see the poster. This poster is all about calling entries for a poster designing contest, and all the details are given here, as well as the website that is inviting these entries. It's also given there. Now comes expression. Phrases, slogans and persuasive language should be there in the poster. Creativity, it's very important for a poster, for designing a poster. Creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter, and obviously from the point of view of examination, we are supposed to observe the word limit, and word limit for poster designing is 50 words. Now see how beautifully this poster, it conveys the message of save water. The illustration, the spacing, the way it is designed, everything is so perfect. It is visually very attractive. Now let us talk more about this poster making. Basically, it is a very brief communication, 50 words maximum word limit. So it's a very brief communication with compelling visuals and powerful message. Obviously, brevity is the soul of wit, we all know. So very powerful message with very attractive visuals that stops a person to look at the poster, to read the poster. So this is something which is essential for a poster. A poster is always prepared with particular target audience in mind. Very clearly mentions the theme of the topic, the schedule of an event and the respective occasion. Now let us discuss about a poster from the point of view of examination. It is not possible, it's not feasible for students to design very artistic posters there in examination, because we have time constraint too. Now this is a very simple one that one can easily prepare there in examination too. Theme of the poster, it's very clearly mentioned at the top: say no to plastics. Now other relevant information, that what you should use, why you should not use plastic, and what you should use instead of plastic, it's given there. Then see the slogan, don't be drastic, say no to plastic. It's very interesting one, it's given here, very simple one as well. A small illustration, a bag is given, nothing but just a rectangle and handle, that is conveying the message that one should not use plastic bag. And then issuing authority, and it is written here that it is issued in public interest. So it's very simple to make, but yet it is very attractive and very strongly conveying the message about not to use plastic. Before summing up, let us discuss about important things that what we need to take care, students, while designing a poster. Always remember that poster should be attractive, eye-catching and easily readable. All these qualities must be there in a poster. You can use appropriate visuals, pictures or cartoons if possible. If you are good at this, you can even incorporate all these things to make your poster attractive. You should begin your poster with your main theme or the purpose of making poster. It should be very clearly indicated there in the poster. All the contents must be arranged in a very interesting way. See, in this poster only you can see that very few things are given, but still they are arranged in a very proportionate way, in a very interesting way. Our details should be very brief and clear, and obviously we cannot afford to use many words as the word limit is 50 words, so we should avoid too many words. You can use big size letters, small size letters, or in case if you are good at calligraphy, then you can use that too to make your poster attractive. But still, your focus should always be there on the theme. In case if you have any catchy slogan in your mind, you can use that too. Be very brief and very clear. And very important, don't forget to provide the name of the individual or organizing issuing it. So this is all about designing a beautiful poster.